For those of you that are going to use the tips that you're learning on the Easton University coaching session today, right now, some of you are going to go close some big deals. A lot of you are going to close a lot of deals. Okay? Look at my deal. Isn't this great? Let's weigh it. Let's measure it. Let's get my deal stuffed so I can hang it on the wall in my house in Florida. Right? Don't stop to take pictures when you close a deal. Okay? No going to get coffee. No going on the social media. No going, hell yeah, I closed the deal. I'm going to go hit the mall and get me one of them gray Matt Easton sweaters. Okay? None of that. Celebrate later, after the workday is done. Because of this, winning begets more winning. If you don't believe me, whether you're a fan or not, check out some college football, right? Or some NFL football. When you see a back, they call it running downhill. When 22 is running downhill, what do? They keep giving 22 the ball until 22 stops smashing everybody in front of his path. Because winning begets more winning. We can't put our finger on it, but there's a rhythm. They call it the flow state. And you're in it. You don't have to strap on a helmet and smash into linebackers to be in the flow state. And when you are closing deals, you are in that flow state. So keep getting first downs. Keep getting touchdowns. At the end of the day, or the game, if some of you are here playing football, then you can celebrate. Then you can go out to dinner. Then you can go to the mall and get a gray Matt Easton sweater. But until the day is done, keep handing the ball to that back and letting them pound first down after first down after first down. Don't stop to take pictures.